Go
At
gambling.
least it's kind of reasonable. She's at least still here, though. That's for sure.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Yeah, her
Fuck.
icon disappeared off screen.
I
That's all.
get.
Of course.
You know what? I'll say it once and I'll say it again. Let's go gambling.
Welcome to the seriously fucking video. I
we
wanna
know.
cry.
We know, Shacko, you hate
Fuck you!
it. Hey, what am I getting? What's my
You're
reward?
good. 1 star.
Really?
Hey, gold, thanks for the star.
Come on.
Let's go gambling. Oh, dang it.